Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. It's Marketing Monday. Are you ready for the week? Getting ready to promote some events this week, and I just wanted to share with you what I'm doing. Now, normally I would post on Monday my upcoming LinkedIn Live event schedule. And I've got, I think, just one scheduled this week, but I have a couple of additional events I'd like to promote as well. So what I decided to do instead is create a PDF document using Canva, and then I exported that, and I was going to share it as a document. And then I thought, well, gosh, it might be kind of interesting to do a video instead. So here's what I did. I went into my Canva account. I'm going to show you this on screen right now. And I use like a 1080 by 1080 square. I like that format because it's kind of universal. It works across all social media platforms. And then I just created a square for each page, each event that I'm hosting this week. And you can see the first event is today, finding a job using LinkedIn. It's a webinar I'm doing, the obvious, the hidden, and the resources. And then I kind of built this out just to make sure it had enough information for those people who wanted to register so they kind of understand what do they get when they register. This is a 90-minute session. With the price, you also get a one-on-one 30-minute phone call with me, a Zoom call, and it's recorded. You get a playback. So that's the first event. That's today. And this is actually an event that goes into my online course as well. So I'm re-recording it to make sure it's up to date. That's today, Monday, March 1st. This will be repeating. So if you watch this later and you want to register for the next one, check out the event page. Okay, then tomorrow I'm hosting a social media pie, a live video interview with my very dear friend from Columbus, Jeff Young. Very excited. We're going to be talking about self-identity and shaping your personal brand online. That's going to be on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and on Facebook. So if you want to find it, what you need to do is tomorrow, Tuesday, March 2nd, go on LinkedIn at about 12 o'clock-ish, and about 12:05, you should see a pop-up notification saying Brenda Meller is now live. If not, go to my activity feed on my profile. Just go to my profile. You'll see the activity section, and it should pop up there. So that's on LinkedIn. On YouTube, just search for Brenda Meller Marketing, and you'll find it, okay? And on Facebook, go on my Meller Marketing page. It's a live stream, so you'll be able to watch it. And then if you want to participate, you can jump into the conversation. Or if it's late, you can watch the playback later, and I'll still monitor for comments, and I'll make sure to tag Jeff in those as well. So that's for tomorrow, Tuesday, March 2nd. And then Friday, this is a very cool thing. I wish I had my sunglasses right now. Maybe I do. I don't know where they are, somewhere over here. But I'll be wearing them. So this is a new series that I'm offering. It's called my Power 30 webinar series. This Friday is the very first time I'm offering this session. You guys ready for this? It's called Using LinkedIn in Stealth Mode. No, it's not a special setting. It's an approach to take if you're using LinkedIn to make a job search, but you want to be kind of quiet about it, right? You don't want people to know. You don't want your boss or your coworkers to know that you're looking for a job. So how do you do that? Okay. So if you come into my session on Friday, what I recommend is when you come into the Zoom, change your name before you come in so we can't see who you are, and then just turn your video off, and then we can see who you are. This is great, right? And if you do need some additional resources, I'll be offering some great tips on how to use LinkedIn in a way that's not alerting people that you're making a job search, but that will increase your visibility and some additional techniques and mistakes that you don't want to be making. Okay, so join that session. That's Friday, March 5th. It's a 30-minute webinar from noon to 12:30. So that's it. These are my upcoming events for the week, and I kind of wanted to wrap this into a Marketing Monday tip for you guys as well. I'm going to drop some captions in here a little bit before I post a video, and I look forward to sharing upcoming events with you. If you like this format, let me know in comments below, and I'll be continuing to do videos in the future. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Make sure that you follow or like this channel wherever you're watching it, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.